Why am I doing this? I think that I just know that so many people who are looking for a system or just want to feel more like themselves or just want to feel confident in how they look. Like everyone's coming from a different point of view. Um, and I think, like you said before, Kate, how people just don't know what's out there and what's available to them. And I think just more like education and just opening up and just being okay with like wearing a system or wearing hair and just like normalizing it, educating people, just showing people like the options that they have and that everyone can be and feel confident and beautiful and you can look exactly how you want to look, you know? Sharing that with people who need to hear it is like the most important thing, and that's really why I love Yvonne and DuBrule and why I keep coming back.